You could have been making rosin at home the whole time. My name is Jason and I'm the king of cannabis. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over the quick and easy way that you can make your own rosin at home using things you probably have around your house. But first, I am not a medical professional, I'm a cannabis professional. This video is intended for adults and I'm not promoting the use of cannabis. I'm just here trying to educate you in case you do choose to use cannabis. That way you can make the right decision for yourself when you're at your local dispensary. What is rosin, first of all? Rosin is a type of cannabis concentrate or extract where it is solventless. They use no chemicals like butane to extract the oil. And what they do is they put the plant material between two hot plates and they squeeze it. And the oil that comes out is refined, it is pure, it is clean, and it is tasty. Anybody who's ever smoked rosin knows that it's the tastiest concentrate on the market. It's tastier than wax, it's tastier than shatter, tastier than even live resin. It is just so clean and tasty, and you know that they're not using solvents. So it is the cleanest concentrate on the market. So you need 4 things to make rosin at home yourself. First, of course, you need some flour. Find a nice size nug out of your jar and put it to the side. And then the second thing you need is a 4x4 piece of parchment paper that is folded in half. Then put that to the side. Then you need a dab tool, put that to the side. And then the 4th most important thing that you need in this whole process is a hair straightener that goes under 300 degrees, because anything over 300 degrees is gonna burn the final product and it's gonna taste really bad. It is gonna get you high, but it's gonna taste really bad. You're not even gonna wanna smoke it. So make sure you heat your hair straightener to 300 degrees. So then you take that nice sized nug that you have and you put it inside the 2 folded pieces of the parchment paper. And then you get your hair straightener that is set to 300 degrees and you put it around the bud that is in between the parchment paper. Make sure that those 2 hot irons are over that nug and it is able to go over the whole nug. So make sure it's over the whole nug. And then all you do is you apply some pressure, and pretty hard pressure, but apply pressure for 5 to 7 seconds until you hear it sizzle. Once you hear it sizzle, that rosin is done and you can take the hair straightener off the parchment paper. And then you just let it sit for a second. And then what you do is you go in, you open the parchment paper, you take that flattened piece of bud that is still in there and you discard it. And then you get any other plant material that is left in the parchment paper and discard it. And then you're good to go. You can either dab straight out of the parchment paper, or you can scrape it off with your dab tool and you are good to go. I mean, that's as simple as it is. I hope you try this at home and I really hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Jason, I'm the king of cannabis. Always remember, positive thoughts equal positive results. I hope you have an elevated day.